Okay, kids, this is going over the answers to converting units of time. All right, it starts out with some guided steps here. The questions, Chris is 9 years old. How many weeks old is he? There are 52 weeks in a year. Multiplied by 9 is 468. Number 2, Elizabeth is 45 years old. How many months old is she? Well, she's 45 years old, and there are 12 months in each of those years, and so it's equal to 540. Number 3, Jaquan practiced basketball for 15 minutes on Saturday. How many seconds did he practice for? That's 15 minutes. There are 60 seconds in each of those minutes, so that is a total of 900 of the minutes. And number 1, how many seconds are in 9 minutes? So you have the 9 minutes. You think there are 60 seconds per minute, so 9 times 60, which is equal to 9 times 6 is 54, and annex is 0. Number 2, how many hours are in 6 weeks? Well, you have 6 weeks. And this is kind of a two-step thing because you know that there are 7 days in a week and 24 hours in each day. So first you have to multiply the 7 times 24. 7 times 24 is 168. I'm just going to write that here. And then I have to multiply 6 times that 168, which is going to give me 1,008. Number 3, Mason spent 13 years playing football. How many weeks did he spend playing football? Well, he has 13 years that he did this, and in each year, that's 52 weeks. So you're going to have to multiply 13 times 52, which you should have got 676. Number 4, the teacher spent 6 hours preparing her math lesson. How many seconds did she spend preparing her math lesson? Well, we see that we're starting out with 6 hours. And so once again, this is going to be one of those two-step problems. So I'm going to have to think, well, in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And then in each of those minutes, there are 60 seconds. So I first have to multiply 60 times 60. And I know 6 times 6 is 36 and annex to 0. So I get 3,600. So this is the number of seconds that she needs to multiply by 6. And 6 times 3,600 is equal to, I don't know. So 3,600 times 6. It looks like 21,600 seconds. Okay, number 5, Nate played video games for 8 hours. How many hours did he spend playing video games? Oh no, how many minutes? Well, it's going to be 8 hours. You know there's 60 minutes in each of those hours. And I know 8 times 6 is 48 and annex is 0, 480. And number 6, Trevor spent 13 hours in the hot dog eating contest before winning. How many minutes did it take before he won? All right, I know he did this for 13 hours. I know that there are 60 minutes in each of those hours, so I need to multiply 13 times 60. If you did that, you should have got 780. Number 7, Daquan and James spent 3 weeks practicing for the football championship. How many days did they practice? Well, they spent 3 weeks doing that. And you know that there are 7 days in each week. So each of these 3 weeks, I'm going to have to multiply it by 7. So that should be 21 days. Number 8, Antonoqua babysat her neighbor for 2 days. How many hours did she babysit him for? Well, she did this for 2 days, and you know that there are how many hours in each day? Well, there's 24, so you need to multiply 2 times 24, and you're going to get 48 hours. And then number 9, Sam spent 9 years getting better at deep sea fishing. How many months did he spend practicing? So this is 9 years that you're changing into months. And I know that there are 12 months in each of those years. So you're going to say 9 times 12, which is equal to 108. Okay, I hope that helped clarify any questions you might have had on arriving at those answers. And hopefully I came up with the correct answers. So thank you and have a good day.